listening at Unique, especially in classics. 1988 Ford Thunderbird LX Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low original miles at 44,691 right now. 5-liter fuel injected V8 underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive. Let's take a look at the silver clear coat metallic paint. Front bumper, grille. As you can see, a few real small little kind of rock chips or what have you, but overall just very minute on this car. Paint shows well, has the medium gray leather interior, which also shows very well. And if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, interior, trunk, check the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the condition of these polished aluminum wheels. Of course, those are a stock Thunderbird wheel. Radial tires. Take a look around the wheel wells. Does not appear that this car has been driven in much for inclement weather at all. Look up and down. Passenger side of this car, you can see pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches. Granted, the car is over 30 years old, so you may have a few imperfections here and there, but overall it really reflects the low miles that are on it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, take a look at that wheel and the condition on the rear of the car. Once again, those still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. This car does come with the original window sticker as well as a car cover. Will be included in it. Take another good look around the wheel wells. Once again at the wheel. We'll check out the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Window sticker will tell you exactly how this car was equipped when new, FYI. Does have power locks, power driver's seat, power windows, power mirrors. Look at the door panels, condition of those. Original floor mats. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online. No rips, tears, holes. As far as in the leather seats. Take a look at that armrest. So like new. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Cool 80s dashboard. Of course, again, the fuel injected 5-liter. There's your miles, 44,691. AM/FM cassette. Climate controls down there. Working clock. Volume switch on the stereo is a little bit touchy. A little 80s music in an 80s car there. Let's turn that back down. So it, like I said, it's just a little touchy as far as that volume control, but the radio does work, as you can hear. There were no check engine lights or service engine lights, I don't believe either, just that door jar. There you go, yes, and fuel gauge working. That was a cold start, so temperature gauge isn't going to be up. Alright, let's go ahead, check out the headliner. Intact, good shape. Slip around to the rear of this here, run. Sounds like what you'd expect, an 88 Thunderbird with a 5-liter in it to sound like. And one last thing, we'll slip up to the front, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at that hood liner in this car when I mentioned not being driven in inclement weather. Look how clean that is. And again, no accidents indicated. Original miles, there's that 5-liter fuel injector power plant. Tried and true engine from Ford. Looks like we may have a newer aluminum radiator could have been replaced just due to age. And power steering, power brakes, and some nicely equipped. The other thing I noticed when I was picturing it up, you see the original VIN tags. Another one up here in the hood, and then one across the way on that fender. So it does appear those are all original panels and everything. I see the ones in the trunk also. Nice clean car, 1988 Ford Thunderbird LX Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.